Hi guys! It's me, Dessy. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel sa mga napadaan dyan. And kumusta kayong lahat? It's been a while since I've made this kind of video because these days I'm just making I have been making videos about companies that are hiring, and that is also to help you guys to gauge yourself if you're going to apply to this company, or for you guys to have some options as well. At the same time, in my case, medyo busy din talaga, and yun din, that is also one of the reasons why I make this video, is para makamusta din kayong lahat. I appreciate your messages. Some people are sending me a message na nai-inspire sila sa ginagawa ko, or nai-inspire sila sa pagkamasipag ko. Feeling ko naman, di naman ako ganun kasipag. They are asking how do I manage my time effectively, because as you know guys, I am affiliated with 3 companies and also 2 startup companies, and there are some direct students also that I handle. And how do I manage my time? So, minsan tinatanong ko din yung sarili ko, paano ko ba nga na ma-manage yung time? I'm not saying na gumigising lang ako na parang robot, and then yun, start na sa paggawa or start na sa pagwork. Hindi ganon. What I mean is, pagising ko, inspire ako na eto yung gagawin ko today, and I want to finish everything that I want to do today. My goal, my task. I'm not saying na everyday ganun yung mindset ko. Kasi there are times that gigising ka sa isang umaga na ayaw mo lang kumilos, yung ganun. Parang gusto mo lang mahiga ka for the whole day, or magtamad-tamaran ka dyan. What I'm sharing with you guys today is yung natural na ako. Because it's not always naman na ganun. Like what I've said earlier, it's not always nagigising ka sa isang umaga na gusto mong maging productive. There are times that you want to be tamad. Okay? So, there. I hope you could get something from this video and ma-inspire din kayo. It's just that, for me, it works. And it has been effective for a long time for me. Just comment below, how do you manage your time? Para naman we can help each other and inspire each other. Some of you guys are asking as well what I am doing these days. So first, I'm studying a new niche, or I'm upskilling. I'm doing some research. I am also planning to enroll to some courses that can develop my skill even more, or that can help me learn another niche, another skill. I am studying Amazon FBA. Well, I haven't officially enrolled in a course or to a course, pero inaaral ko siya, sineset ko yung expectation ko, aaralin ko to in the future. I am opening some slots sa Langdi para ma-obliged ako na gumising ng maaga again to do my craft, my thing. So these days, pag may free time sa Langdi, like 1 hour or 2 hours, walang nag-book, so I can just study. 24 hours is too short. You just want to make the most out of the hours, out of the time. So, if you want to make the most out of your time, gumising kayo ng umaga, or maaga, rather. So, and then there, you can start to manage your time effectively. And then, the second thing na nagko-concentrate ako these days is yung workout routine. So, yun, pinagsasabay-sabay ko yun. Though I'm taking vitamins and supplements, but then I really want to pursue with this routine na mag-workout ako, and hindi naman pupunta sa gym, but then, just magpapawis lang and to lose weight. So, there. Okay, so here, first tip is you can use your diary or calendar to write things you need to do and prioritize which ones to be dealt with first. Old school kasi talaga ako. Nagsusulat pa din ako. Feeling ko kasi mas effective sa akin yun. Binigay ito sa akin ng best friend ko, si Jenny. Hello, Jenny! Mars. So, there. Nagsusulat pa din ako, and yun, sinusulat ko yung mga kailangan kong gawin. every day. Although yung iba, system na talaga siya na like magturo sa Langdi in the morning, afternoon, Jessie English, and then nighttime, Bunny English. Yun na talaga yung default na ginagawa ko. So other than that, I write in my diary. So other things that I need to do. Like for example, yun nga, yung nag-aaral ako ng ibang niche or ng ibang skill. Some notes that I need to remember. So, I put everything here. Ang dami-dami natin kailangan gawin every day. So, we need to prioritize. I-prioritize mo kung ano yung dapat mong i-prioritize. So, I learned na magkakaroon ako ng peace of mind pag inuna ko yung kailangan kong i-prioritize. Like my kids. And then, my next tip is set goals and evaluate to how what you're doing is related to what you are trying to achieve in the future. Pag nasulat mo na yung mga gusto mong gawin and yung mga plano mong gawin in the future, you have to set your goals, short-term or long-term goals. My long-term goal is to be financially free. Yung financial freedom, I think every one of us have that goal in life. Yung ginagawa ko ngayon, na nag-aaral ako ng ibang skill and nag-upskill ako or ng ibang niche, related to sa gusto kong gawin in the future or gusto kong mangyari in the future. I want a passive income. And then for your short-term goal, for example, you want a new laptop or you want a new phone. So set mo yon. In 3 months, magkakaroon ako ng bagong laptop or phone. So set your short-term goal. And then when you achieve that, you can be more productive maybe or mas inspired ka mag-work kasi na-achieve mo na yon. So it's really very important to set goals and to evaluate these goals as well. So hindi lang yung magsaset ka ng goals kasi gusto mo to or kasi yung iba ganito yung ginagawa, or it's important that you engage yourself as well. Like this is what you want to do. This is for my family. And when I achieve this, when I do this, I'm going to achieve something big in the future. So it's really very important. And then my next tip is try not to be overwhelmed and take time to rest, and don't forget to reward yourself. This is very important for you to manage your time wisely and effectively. It's always you, especially for us freelancers. Tayo yung mismong business. We have to take care of ourselves. Some people think that I'm not taking care of myself anymore because I overwork. I make the most out of my time. I always maximize my time. Hindi siya forever. Like what I've said, you have to set your goals, short-term goals and long-term goal. I work hard for quite a few years, and then after that, I know what to do. There is a system and there is clear ang mind ko kung ano yung gusto kong gawin in the future. Take it one step at a time. So, like what I did before, so nag-try ako mag-upskill while I was establishing my network sa ESL teaching. So, mahirap siya. So, I had to give up studying another niche that time. And then sabi ko, gusto ko talagang establish muna yung kita ko. So, I want to earn like 50,000 to 70,000 a month, which is what I am earning now. Not to brag, but to inspire. So, iba talaga yung nagagawa ng gusto mo at ini-imagine mo yung sarili mo na mangyayari yon, mangyayari talaga. So that is the law of attraction. I always believe in the law of attraction. Na-overwhelmed ako at that time, so I said, hindi pa siya time. Hindi ko pa oras to para mag-upskill. I need to establish my network. So now that I'm earning the amount that I wanted to earn back in the years, yun na. Eto na, naramdaman ko na gusto kong mag-upskill. And then, in no time, I'm going to enroll and find a coach as well. Para ma-establish ko din yung network ng passive income. You have to take time to rest. I listen to my body. And don't forget to reward yourself. You can buy a cake on that day or labas ka lang, mag-ikot-ikot ka lang sa mall and then just buy whatever you want. You always deserve that because you are hardworking. So there, this is very important for you to be productive and for you to manage your time well. Kasi pag na-overwork or na-drain or na-burnout tayo sa ginagawa natin, it's hard to manage our time wisely. Also, isa pa, hindi mo din magagawa yon nang wala kang or kasama sa bahay. Not naman the helper, but then maybe your husband or your in-laws or, you know, yung katiwala mo sa bahay. So, you also have to have a good support system. I have asked some of co-teachers as well. They are being productive and they are able to manage their time wisely and effectively kasi maganda yung teamwork nila sa bahay. Stay away from negativity. So if you know what I mean. I'm not in the position to advise you on what to do, but then that is just one of the secrets to be productive and also to manage your time effectively. Yung good support system. Then the next thing that I want to share with you is always have the motivation to succeed and be inspired. You will be more productive. Your inspiration may come from your husband, from your parents, from your kids, the things that you would like to achieve in the future. Thank you so much for watching or for taking time to watch this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and then also the notification bell so that you will be notified on my future posts. And always remember, just work hard but work smart as well. See you on my next video.